Yeah, so as to add an email account, the user needs to go to the list of email accounts already added, a section where he can manage the email accounts. These are already added email accounts. Now the user will click on plus email account here, click on add Google Gmail account, and then select an email account that he wants to log into, for example, this one. And what happens is presently this app is disabled, but basically with this permission, the email account gets added to this list of email accounts. Now, once an email account is added, uh, we use this email account to import the inbox of that email account. Why do we need inbox? Is to provide the user an ability to see what are the emails he is receiving against the campaigns that he has sent. Uh, for example, he's creating a campaign and sending it out using one of the emails that is added into the system. Uh, so all the emails that are going to come in here are going to go out from this email account or any other email account that the user chooses. So basically, this is the reason why we require uh, the information about the ability to show, read the inbox, to send emails, to compose emails, and so on and so forth.
Hi, okay, so I need to answer these couple of questions for Google verification for Outreach Plus. We're using Gmail scope, mail.gmail.com. So the first one says the video must be to show the app's details such as the app name, auth, client ID as applicable. So these are the details which are we using. This is client ID, as you can see, um, and if I go inside there, you can see I've authorized our apps, which is test an app, and this is localhost. So this is client ID. Um, I've got this service account which uses um, which is used to authorize this OAuth. Um, Obviously, these details are not shown on the front part of the website where it is not working right now, so I can't show you because it just goes to the not authorized screen. So these details and client secret and stuff that's not shown on the front end. So these are only used to use OAuth 2 to authorize clients and use their consent to authorize them to use email. The demo will must show you how you use data from sensitive and restricted flow. So we are using mail.gmail.com. The data is actually stored in a secure login. So this user is already logged in. That's how I'll just log in again. So these are my logins. So these are secured under login, and the data is only used in. So the way it works is basically you can go to email accounts um, and add email account. Um, there will be an option for Gmail here. So when you click that, you'll just go to the OAuth 2 client and get authorization from Google, and then they can be, when they come back, they just see the email address here. So once they have the email, what they can do is they can set up campaigns. Um, So as you can see that I've already set up few campaigns. Basically, the campaigns uh, are to send scheduled emails um, using their Gmail or G Suite, because a lot of people use G Suite. Um, you see, it's asking for to add email. I haven't added email. Um, so that's pretty much it. So all you basically use your the scopes are only used to email their clients, um, and the emails are scheduled. There's a restriction of at least 30 seconds between an email. So they add 100 prospects here, and if obviously if they're allowed by Gmail or if they've got G Suite, and G Suite allows them to send a certain number of emails. The software will then start processing the emails, the campaign. The emails will use OAuth2 to get authorization from Google and send emails using um, their authorization token. There's a minimum delay of, like I said, 30 seconds. They can increase the delay to any number of seconds. So you can send 2 emails in a day, or you can send probably, I don't know, 100 emails a day. Then we need that scope. We need mail.gmail.com to send emails. Then there's an option to manage inboxes within here. So if you see, um, okay, let me show you another login which I am using. So you know how the inbox is used. So we've got inbox, we've got outbox, we've got set items. In the inbox, you see people can add more than one email. So you see I've got a few number of emails here. These are not Gmail or G Suite accounts. These are just separate IMAP accounts. So you see, we've got inbox here which are matched with the campaign, and how and with the prospect who they send the email to. So this is basically to uh, make sure that they can manage their inbox more easily, and they can schedule emails for a number of prospects, and they can use merge codes to automatically send emails. I mean, automatically replace data with the client's data. Um, we don't provide any prospecting or anything, so the emails list which they've got are probably their newsletter subscribers or maybe their customers. Um, uh, so we don't get their details. So they have to use their own client list according to the law. So we got this. We can manage here. There are a number of options here. Um, like you can involve them real and stuff. You can you can set their interest. You can set their email status assigned to different another user. So this prospect. So email status. I mean outreach status. If they are interested or not. Strong. So I mean there are a number of options in here which we allow them. So there's another option for campaigns. When you set up a campaign, there's an option to send follow-up emails, which are sent automatically. So if a user don't receive a reply within X number of days, they can set up a follow-up which goes out automatically. So basically these are the options which obviously, to get the emails, to download the emails, we need mail.gmail.com scope. So that's how we can use it. Yeah, thank you very much.